How to autofill dates in Google Sheets. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Sheets, then write date, and then write the date you want. Simply click on Format. In Format, click on Number. Then scroll all the way down till you find Custom Date and Time. Click on Custom Date and Time, and then click on your date you added earlier. After that, simply drag date till the column you want or till the row you want. As you can see, that has been converted. That's how to autofill dates in Google Sheets. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.